Hi everyone, today we are going to make simple flower. For this I am taking the square paper of 6 centimeters. First you can fold it to the triangle shape. In the middle you can draw one line. To this line you can fold. You can fold like this. Crease it well. In this side also you can do the same process. To the middle of the line you can fold it. Here you can draw one more line to the middle. Here you can draw petal. Here you can draw petal. And you can cut the shape. You can open the flower. Okay, this is our flower. You can fold the petals with your fingers like this. Okay, in the middle you can paste. In the middle you can paste one small round paper. Okay, this is our simple flower. I hope if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care everyone.